Welcome to Reilly Jam, a monthly construct-only jam that will take about an hour out of your busy week. Each month we'll see new wacky challenges to test your construct skills for a chance to win Amazon vouchers and be featured on the channel. Simply make your game, follow the rules, and send your submission to the email found in the description. So, without further ado, your challenge this month is just press a button. This challenge requires you to make a game that can be played with just a single button press. No mouse, no touch screen, just one key on the keyboard. Now, unlike other challenges like my 2 object challenge, this one actually has a use. Many gamers are unable to access games due to a disability. By taking part in this month's jam, you're creating a short experience nearly all of these gamers can access. The full rules will be in the description, so check them out below, and entries close on Friday, the results video being the day after. It would be great to see as many people take part in the game jam as possible, so start thinking of your ideas and good luck.